Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 8th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we'll be checking out some more tags in HTML. So I've got a document here, and on line 1 in this file I have the doc type declaration. In between the HTML opening and closing tags I have the head section, which has the title strike through, superscript and subscript tags between the opening and closing title tags. And then the body section I have 3 paragraphs, again just as I had in the last tutorial, with some more tags in between the opening and closing paragraph tags. So I have the strike tag, the opening strike tag and the closing strike tag between the opening and closing paragraph tags on line number 7. And what feature will this result into? I'm sure you are aware of the strike through style in Microsoft Word, right? So if you want some text and if you want that text to be striked out, then you have to use the strike tag. And I'll show you guys how the file looks in Google Chrome in just a moment. Let me talk about the other 2 tags that are new in this tutorial before showing you the file in Google Chrome. So I have the superscript tag on line number 8, and we're meeting this tag for the first time in this tutorial. And if suppose you want to have an expression like 3 cube equals 27, right? So 3 to the power 3, and I'm sure you guys know that when you have something in as a power of something, you have it kind of elevated, so it's superscript basically. And to have that effect, you use the sup tag. So I have 3, the opening sup tag, and then the closing sup tag, and between these 2 I have another 3, right? So 1 3 will be at the base level and another 3 will be at a slightly elevated level. So this will result into the expression 3 cube equals 27. And then I also have the subscript tag used for the first time in the course on line number 9, right? So between the opening and closing paragraph tags I have a subscript a times b subscript b equals c subscript c, right? It's not a known expression, I've just created one. So now let me show you guys how this file looks in Google Chrome. This is how it looks. So the first paragraph has the text "no kidding," which is striked out, and the second one has the expression 3 cube equals 27, and the last paragraph has the expression a subscript a times b subscript b equals c subscript c. And subscript is actually like just as superscript is text elevated, subscript is text like at a lower level, right? So I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next tutorial in which we'll discuss more features of HTML, more tags, and that's it. Take care and have fun.